Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Pani Yuliani. On this occasion, I would like to identifying the article about sudden error analysis in solving social arithmetic problems. Table of contents. The first is introduction. The second is literature review. The third is research method. Next, result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. The first to be discussed is introduction. In the introduction, there are 4 points. The first is burning issues. Students' difficulty in solving social arithmetic question in the form of contextual question. The second is research problem. Understanding contextual math problems, especially social arithmetic, isn't an easy thing. Even though social arithmetic is closely related to everyday life. The next, relevant literature. Mathematics doesn't always present abstract questions that are far from students' lips. But actually, mathematics is close to students. The importance of mastering social arithmetic material isn't balanced with the facts on the ground. And the last is the aim of the research. The aim is to analyze students' difficult in solving social arithmetic question in the form of contextual question because the importance of social arithmetic material in mathematics, especially for students as educational subjects in daily life. Next, I will discuss the literature review. Wahyudin 2017, contextual problems make it easier for students in solving problems because of the knowledge base that is received indirectly in social life, so that students in solving problems pay attention to real-step solution and it affects the ability to think mathematical. Next, Rahma and Muharni 2019. Question with easy criteria C1 and C2, medium category C3 and C4, and will difficult category C5 and C6. And the last, Sari Susanti and Rahayu 2018, students' error in working on social arithmetic problem are errors in rewriting available information, error in making mathematical models, and error in performing integers and decimal operation. The next one is research method. This study uses qualitative research methods whose research results are described descriptively. In the research method, there are 4 points. The first is data collection. In this study, research used data collection techniques by means of test instrument which would later describe student error in solving social arithmetic problems. The second is data analysis. The technique of data analysis was done by descriptive method. According to Sugiono 2005, stated that the descriptive method is a method used to describe or analyze a research result, but isn't used to make broader conclusion. The respondents here are class 8 students in West Bandung Regency whose samples were taken randomly, and 31 students were selected for class 8E of SMP Mahardika. Next, data source. Only in the form of a test instrument doesn't provide a treatment to the sample. The result of the next study carves out a scoring process on each question, but on the rubric, so that the total score of each sample was known. Next, result and discussion. Here is the test question. The question used to analyze student errors are questions with the cognitive realm of Bloom C5. The form of the question is as follows. Here are some student answers in compressing the test. The first student with high ability are able to understand the problem by writing down or recording all the information contained in the question using their own language without being affected by the language of the question. Then students are able to make settlement strategies and carry out these strategies. Students work on problem systematically and do calculation correctly. Next, the second student with moderate ability understands the problem because he has written down the information contained in the problem using his own language. Next, the third student, the student hasn't been able to understand the problems. This is based on no data written in the answer and only writing sentence contents in the question. The fourth student didn't understand the problem. The student rewrote the language of the question without summarizing the sentence. This means that students don't use their own language in gathering information. In addition, students pay less attention to important things contained in the question information. And the last, they discuss in the conclusion. Based on the result of data analysis and discussion, it can be concluded that the average ability of students in class HE of SMP Mahardika is still relatively low. In terms of working on social arithmetic problem, one student is in the high category, two students are in the medium category, and 28 students are in the high category, low with an average ability percentage of to 5.7%. The form of error are quite varied, starting from errors in understanding the concept of the material, errors in making formulas, or error in principle, error is performing algebraic operation, and some students don't pay attention to details in solving problems. As a result, students cannot solve problems correctly, and the result aren't satisfactory. That's all I can say. Sorry for all the mistakes and shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.